Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of intermediate algorithm scripting. Wherefore art thou is the name of the problem. Make a function that looks through an array of objects. First argument in here means from here to here. This is the first argument, and this is an array of objects and returns an array of all objects that have matching name and value pairs. Second argument means whatever is given here, we should have matching name and value pair of the source object has been present in the object from the collection if it is to be included in the return array. For example, if the first argument is this and we from here to here, and the second argument is this, then you must return the third object from array. The first argument because it contains the name and its value that was passed on the second argument. So we must return this. And from the test cases we can see that there can be more than one property inside an object inside source. So let's start. First let keys equal to object dot keys and from source console.log keys. Okay, we got the keys. Now we will need to filter out array and save it in arr collection dot filter, and here we will pass element, and for the check test case we will have to use loop. So let I equal to 0, I less than keys dot length I plus plus. Afterward, if element keys I equal to source keys I, okay, means when equal to, then let's go in the opposite direction, means when not equal to, then it will return false. Only when all the keys are actually tested that all keys are equal, then only return true. Okay, and let's run the tests, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.